Welcome to the assembly guide for Regal Deluxe Manufacturing by Dash Toys. Box include main body, front wheel complete, seat, handle, basket, front mudguard, axle, rear wheels, hardware, insert axle into the main frame. First, remove the wheel cover. Insert the wheels on both sides into the axle. Secure the wheels with a washer and quarter pin. Cover both wheels with wheel cover. Repeat the same on the other side. Place the front mudguard onto the fork. Insert the front fork into the main body. Insert the handle into the fork as shown. Secure the handle in the fork by tightening the handle lock. Place the seat onto the frame. Secure the seat with a nut. Place the basket on the rear side of the frame. Secure the basket with a nut bolt. Open the cell cover using a screwdriver. Insert the batteries according to the polarity and close the cell cover. Press the button for lights and music. Your Regal Deluxe is ready to use.